Hello everyone, this is Lat with Tealstreet. Today I'm doing a quick video tutorial on how to add a BitMEX API key to Tealstreet. On the left you can see I've got the BitMEX site open, and on the right I have the Tealstreet desktop application open. Once on BitMEX we can navigate to API keys from the drop-down menu, and the first thing we'll do is create a nickname for the API key. I'm going to choose Tealstreet is the best, and then on the Tealstreet side, we can navigate to Settings or API Keys, and we'll click New API Key. From the Exchange drop-down menu, we'll select BitMEX. Then we'll copy the CIDR for IP address whitelisting, and we'll paste that on the BitMEX site. For key permissions, we'll choose Order. And on Tealstreet, we'll give our API key a nickname. Next, we will type in an encryption password, which is different from our login password and protects your API key. On BitMEX, we'll click Create API Key. We'll copy the ID and paste that for key. Then we can copy the secret and paste that under secret. Then we can click Create, which will save the API key on Tealstreet. You can see that it's added there, BitMEX. We'll navigate to Trade, and on the API drop-down menu we will click Tealstreet is the best under BitMEX. Here we'll type in the encryption password that we just chose, and we'll click OK. We'll give it a few seconds to load, and you can see that one of my open positions is loading there. That will complete today's video. Thank you very much for listening. I will include some links to the documentation page, as well as a link to join our Discord server in case you need any technical assistance or support.